Hi, hello friends. Welcome to Grammar with Ganesh. We are at the last part of parts of speech. The article a and the second part of our articles. In our last video, we have seen the first part of our article, that is the, and in this video we are going to see in a broader view how the articles a and an, that are indefinite articles, are used in the sentences. The articles a and an are also called indefinite articles because it is used in a sentence before common noun when the common noun is of general character, or it is used before common noun which tells something which is not clear, which is not exact one, but which is a very general in nature. Example, a pen, a ball, an elephant. Means here it talks about the common nouns which is not a pronoun, which is not a exact, or which is not specific or particular. It is very general. A ball, don't know which ball. A pen, whether it is black pen or blue pen or of any color. It is used when the common noun is very general. How the articles a and an are used in a sentence, we will go one by one. A is used before singular word or the word which begins with consonants like B, C, D, means other than the vowel consonants, means excluding A, E, I, O and U. A article is used before the consonants like B, C, D, H, etc. For example, singular number like a ball, a pen, same consonants like starting from the B, C, D, etc. The article an is used before the vowel sound like A, E, I, O and U. For example, an ant, A is the vowel, an elephant, an apple. Friends, there is one very important thing which we have to keep into our mind till our lifetime, that an article is used well before the sound words, that is vowel words. But there is exception. The words which are having the sounds of consonants. Consonants like U means white double O, and the sound of consonants like W. For example, here I have written European. European, the word is started with E, but still it sounds like U, that is consonant. And another word, one, a 1 rupee note. Here one, it sounds like consonant W. One, it sounds like consonant W. So in such cases we have to use the article a European, a 1 rupee note instead of an. So friends, we have to keep into our mind how an is used before honor and honorable. Here, though the word starts with H, but it sounds like vowel, honor. So an is always used before honor, same like honorable, because it sounds like vowel. Here the letter H is silent in the word honor, and it sounds like honor, that is with the sound of vowel. Friends, I already told you that a and an, these are the articles which are used before the common noun that can be counted. The common noun that can be counted. For example, a ball, a pen. These are the common nouns which can be counted. Friends, very important thing we have to keep into mind while using a and an. Here, before abbreviations like BA, BCom, BSc, etc. We have to keep into mind here the abbreviation starts with vowel sounds. We will go to it. Abbreviations like BA, it do not sounds like vowel, but it starts with consonant only. So a BA, a BCom, a PhD, a PM, like this, and so on. Here, a article we are using because in case of abbreviations we have to use a or an. Here all this starts with the consonant, so we have used a BA, a BCom, a BSc, a PhD, a PM. But here the word starts with the consonant, but it sounds like a vowel. M, it sounds like M. For example, an MBBS. MBBS starts with the vowel sound M. One more example, MBA. So an MBA, MP. So an MP. Also, in case of phrases, there are some phrases where we use a only. For example, in a hurry. I am in a hurry. One more example, a nuisance. A pleasure. Great pleasure to me. Before the professions, in any kind of profession, article a or an will be used behind the word of profession. For example, an editor, a director, a doctor, an engineer. Friends, the last part here we are going to see here the articles are not used at all. Here there will not be any articles. The things in general like milk, water, etc. These the liquid things. It cannot be the milk or the water. Things in general like wheat, jawar. We cannot say the wheat, the jawar. Okay, we have to avoid using the articles in these things. Friends, one more important thing, we are not going to use any type of articles before proper noun. Proper nouns like India, Ramesh or John. Friends, a very important point, we are not going to use any type of articles before the abstract nouns. You know very well, abstract nouns are the nouns of our expressions, emotions, feelings. The nouns like beauty. For example, beauty is admired by all. Here, no need of using any type of articles before beauty, that is abstract noun. Also, no need of using any articles before these metals like gold, silver, bronze, zinc, etc. No need of using any articles before the names of games or sports. For example, let's play cricket. Let's go and play basketball. Friends, we are also not going to use any article before the words of meals. For example, breakfast, lunch and dinner. No need of using any article. For example, what is there in breakfast? It is the correct sentence. It cannot be what is there in the breakfast, what is there in the lunch. It will not be like this. It will be only what is there in the what is there in breakfast, what is there in lunch, what is there in dinner. Yeah, friends, I already told you that we are not going to use any type of articles before the names of countries, before the names of play, sports, before uh, names of languages. We will not say the Marathi, the Hindi, the English. We have to keep into mind only these very simple things, just to avoid the use of articles which are unnecessary. Just we have to focus on the articles which are very uh, precise, and we have to keep into mind so as to make the good sentences. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video very soon. Till then, bye bye.